FaZe Trading Broker Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how online trading platforms have evolved in 2025. FaZe promises low spreads, diverse account types, and global trading access, but is it a reliable broker? The surprising truth is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by thinking Forex brokers are only for experienced traders. FaZe offers beginner-friendly accounts with low minimum deposits, making it easy to start trading currencies, commodities, and indices. One major advantage is trading conditions. You won't believe what happens next when you see FaZe provides tight spreads, leverage up to 1-3,000, and multiple account types tailored for different strategies. The platform supports Internet, giving users robust charting indicators and automated trading options. FaZe also provide educational resources, webinars, and tutorials helping new traders learn risk management and trading strategies. Customer support is available, enhancing trust and guidance. However, there are cons. High leverage can amplify losses, so inexperienced traders must be cautious. Some withdrawal fees and regional restrictions may apply, and spreads can vary depending on market conditions. In conclusion, FaZe in 2025 is suitable for traders seeking flexibility, low entry costs, and strong educational support. While high leverage carries risk and regional limitations exist, the combination of competitive trading conditions, platform versatility, and learning resources make FaZe a legitimate choice for both new and experienced traders.